Hi friends, I will show you how to make a beautiful bookmark without coloring. We will just use some Washi tape to decorate our bookmarks. No color we will use. So here is the material we need to make our beautiful bookmark. I have Mod Podge, Washi tapes, hole puncher, a small piece of jute twig, scissor, scrapbook paper. If you do not have scrapbook paper, you can use card paper also. Some printing paper, pencil, brush and scale. So here are the material to make our beautiful bookmark. In this tutorial, we have used Washi tapes. Washi tapes are masking like tape and these are super durable and flexible. It comes in variety of widths, texture, patterns and colors. What I used in this tutorial is just an idea. You can use Washi tapes according what is available, and if you want to buy, you can find these in different colors and different designs. So it's totally up your choice what tapes you want to use in your craft. I just show a example of how we can use these. What I'm doing first, I am measuring the size of my bookmark. So here I want my bookmark 1.5 inch in the width and 6 inches long. So I am taking the size. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the size of our bookmark. Now what I am doing, I am taking the tapes. I have 4 tape here and I am starting sticking these. First I am taking flower one, cut it. Now our second one, here is our leafy one. Match the line just with this line, the flower tape, and cut it. Now our third tape. Match the line of the greeny tape and cut it. Now again I am taking the green one, match the brown one and stick it. So now just keep the tapes in the side and now we will cut it on the mark. Use a scissor and cut it, or if you want to use a paper cutter you can use that also. You can also use paper knife. So it's totally up your choice what you want to cut your paper. So this is how we can cut with the scissor. cut it on the line. So our this side is done. Same you can cut this side also. So here our tape paper is ready. Now I will mark our base paper according to the size of this bookmark. I will leave little space on all sides, but on the upper side I leave some extra space so I can punch a hole. So here we are good. I'm marking it and cut it also. This time I am showing you how to cut with paper cutter. Here I have my paper cutter board. So just put your paper on cutting board. Match this wire on your line like this. Match it and cut it like this. You can see how clear finish we get. On this side also I am cutting it. Match the wire line with your line and cut it like this. So here we have our base paper. Now we will paste our tape paper on our base paper. Here I have Fevistick, so I am applying the Fevistick on my paper. Cover all the paper with your Fevistick, especially the edges like this. Remove any extra glue and now place it on your paper like this and press it. Press it properly with your palm. Press it, and here we are done. Now we will make a punch on the upper side. Here is my puncher. Take the middle point of the your bookmark. This is 2 inches. So take a mark on 1 inch. Not just on the edge. Make a hole little below the edge. Otherwise, your bookmark will get ripped. So I am just making a hole here now. Check, here we have our hole puncher. I am looking here. Here is our point. So I am just punching it here. Here is our hole. Now we will put a twig, or if you want to put a ribbon, you can use a ribbon also in your bookmark. So I am using a jute twig here, and here our bookmark is ready.